Welcome. Build Out here. Super excited about this video. In this video, we're going to talk about future-proofing your PMO. Really looking at the essential tech stack of tools that you need to know to run a PMO. Hi everyone, Build Out here. Today we're diving into a major shift in project management that changes the game for PMOs everywhere, right? So let me ask you, are you still juggling spreadsheets, clunky software, outdated tools that slows your PMO team down? Well, if so, it's time to take a serious look at the PMO tech stack that's out there and the tools and the technologies that are powering future project management offices. Let's jump in. For those who don't know me, my name is Bill Dow. I've been running 10 PMOs since the early 90s and 10 PMOs across 4 different companies. And let me tell you, technology has always played a massive role in how successful I've ran my PMOs. I've always generally been a Microsoft guy, but nowadays there's a lot of technology out there. We're seeing a huge shift, right? From manual status reports to automated dashboard and reporting, from siloed teams to real-time collaboration, and that shift is only accelerating. That's what we're talking about today. We're talking about how important technology is to running a successful PMO. Let's get into that. So the rise of the PMO tech stack, right? Let's start with quick context. Project management used to live in Excel and Word documents. Let's be clear. And that's what worked for many years. But it doesn't cut it anymore, right? I remember Steve Ballmer used to say the most important project management tool was Excel, right? But that's not the case, really. So even when they had Microsoft Project, he still said that. But why is this so important? Because teams are more distributed. Projects are more complex. Stakeholders want real-time updates, not monthly status meetings. That's why we're seeing a rise of specific tools for every stage of the project lifecycle, from beginning to execution to reporting, right? The evolution is what we're calling the PMO tech stack. So I have a question for you. What tools are you currently using in your PMO? Let me know in the comments, right? And are they helping you or are they holding you back? And section 2, really, and the second thing I want to talk about are the core components of the PMO tech stack. So if we break that down, a strong PMO tech stack typically includes planning and collaboration platforms, right? You see tools like Smartsheets, Asana, Monday.com. These platforms help your team communicate better, manage tasks, allocate resources in real time. How important is that? Project management software, really pulling it all together. Planning, execution, tracking, and reporting, right? Microsoft Project's been a leader in the industry for years and years. PlanView, Jira, OnePlan. The key is the integrating of linking work streams and timelines and teams all in one place, right? We're seeing that need for all the software to be in a central location. Business intelligence and analytics, right? That's where this world just blows up, right? Power BI, Tableau, even using Excel with the right models, right? These tools give you deep insights, project performance, bottlenecks, resource utilization. This is where data decision making makes a huge starting point for any PMO leader. Number 3, how technology transforms PMO success, right? Like I said, I've been using the MicroStack for years and years and been very successful in the Microsoft tech stack. But let's talk about results. When you get the right tech stack in place, here's what happens. You have improved communications. Everyone's on the same page. You can have fewer meetings, more alignment, greater visibility and control. I can't stress that enough. You see early risks earlier, act faster, right? Resolve issues proactively. You're making smarter decisions with the data you're seeing. So you're not guessing anymore. You're using real-time data to guide your next steps of driving a project, a program, a portfolio, and ultimately your PMO. And that's what your stakeholders want to see from your PMO. When you deliver this kind of value, your PMO becomes a strategic asset, not just an administrative function. I can't stress that enough, right? Number 4, emerging trends in PMO tech. So let's start looking ahead. What are we seeing? Obviously AI, right? So emerging trends shaping the tech stack. 2025 and beyond is clearly going to be AI and machine learning, right? Automated repetitive tasks, right? Predict project delays long before they happen because you can start seeing that in the data. Get smarter recommendations for resource planning. How we're using our resources, but we got to get timesheets out there. We've got to get understanding what people are doing, therefore timesheets. Blockchain, that's slowly starting to become more and more secure, transparent data sharing across teams and vendors, building trust and traceability in complex environments. Hyper integration, right? Seamless connections between teams and SharePoint, Jira, Power BI, right? Many other products, right? OnePlan does a great job at that. Everyone's talking to each other. No more silos, especially in this remote environment. What's the takeaway? The future PMO tech stack is intelligent, it's connected, it's fast, and it's giving you the data you need to drive your PMO. Okay, what's your call for action, right? What are you going to do? You have to embrace the future. What does that mean? You have to start exploring modern PMO tools. Test what fits for your processes within your organization. You have to upskill your team members. It's going to take training of some of these tools. You want to stay informed. You want to keep adapting. But the tech stack is changing like crazy, especially with this AI space. So you got to stay in front of that. So let's summarize. The PMO tech stack is not a trend. It's a shift. It's a huge shift, and one that's reshaping how we deliver our programs and our projects and driving results for the business. What are some of our takeaways, right? Project management's evolving fast. PMOs are evolving fast. You need the right tools across planning, execution, analysis, the end-to-end. Emerging technologies like AI are changing the game of PMOs, and your PMO must adapt to stay relevant, stay valuable, and stay delivering the business value. All right, let's summarize and let's wrap this up. We talked about a ton of tools in our PMO tech stack. You have to stay up on this curve. You can't be catching up as a PMO leader. You've got to be driving where your PMO is going. If you like this type of information, hit the bell, hit subscribe, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Thanks. I'll see you online. Thanks.